Hi, how are you? I hope you guys are fine. Just tell me in the comment section of this video. I will feel happy to help you guys. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe our how to channel for more informative videos. First, we have to click on the link in the video description. Now click sign up and scroll down. Enter your email. You can sign up with your Facebook account. It will take 1 minute. Then use password. Enter your password again. Now click I am not robot. And solve the captcha. This website is trusted and they are paying almost more than 1 year. So don't worry about it. Solve this captcha and click confirm. Now sign up. Your account is created now. Go at your mailbox which you used at the time of registration. As you can see, there is email from that website. Click on that email and confirm your registration. Your email is confirmed now. Refresh the page. As you can see, click I agree. As you can see, you got a $1. Now click that menu bar. After that, click earn. As you can see, there are many options. You can select survey. They will ask simple questions about your monthly income, like about your age. These surveys will take around 10 to 20 minutes and you can earn from it. These are ads. You can click on these ads and wait for 5 seconds. As you can see there. Refresh the page. That's it. You can see your wallet is increasing. wallet when sale increasing. You can earn from refer your friends. These are videos, you can watch videos. There are many options which you can use for earning online from this website. These are winners. They take a lucky draw. Every Friday they announce the winners. You can earn by solving captcha. By sharing TikTok videos. Next one is the first prize $215.